Hey boo, and how you doing? I'm Lynn, and today I am here to do a braid out. It's not a tutorial, okay? So first things first, I'm going to be letting y'all know the star product is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braidout Glaze, baby. And the leave-in is going to be the Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow leave-in. My hair has been freshly shampooed, deep conditioned, and detangled. So I'm just showing y'all that I'm going to be taking down these chunky twists, and then I'm going to section my hair on off, baby, and then we're going to hop on into doing the braid out. And I have been practicing trying to perfect a braid out for years. Can you believe that? I've been natural almost 9.5 years, going on 10, and I never did a braid out. But here we have it. No judgment here. And that's my girl Tabitha, baby. Tabitha coming on through with them dookie braids, you heard me? And so I am gonna do my own little thing. I said her braids ain't came out too bad. Mine ain't gonna be dookie. So first things first, I am going to start off with misting my hair with a little bit of warm water, and then I'm gonna apply that leave-in conditioner into the palms of my hands, and then I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser brush to detangle my hair. And then after that, simple steps, I'm going to apply that braid out glaze by the Main Choice, and I'm gonna see how it gets down with the get down. You heard me. This is my first time ever using the braid out glaze and even doing a braid out once again. So I don't really know what I was in for when I was filming, but girl, when I popped the top on that gel, I was like, what? This thing is thick. And then I tried to flip her on over. I don't know why I did this. I just played myself, baby, because that gel was about to go all over the place. Lynn, you're wrong, girl. Look at her. I got so scared. I just got so scared. I was like, I need all my money worth in this job, baby. So I applied the gel to my hair evenly with a good amount, and then I went on into braiding. Y'all, I'm not an expert with braiding. I'm getting there. Hopefully one day. So all I'm gonna do is just braid my hair on down, and once I get towards the ends of my hair, I'm going to possibly twist it, or I'm gonna do a little finger coil, and I'm gonna just keep it on moving through. That's all I did for this braid out, and hopefully you enjoyed this video and keep on watching and let me know your thoughts. I also was pleasantly surprised by how my braids turned out. So much so, I left my braids in for about 3 days from the same day of me doing the video. And I do want to say shout outs to my girl Also Natural. Her channel will be linked in the description box below. She had inspired me to do a braid out because I never did one before, and so I'm just so happy that she inspired me to do this video for y'all, because I'm telling you, I was gonna go straight into doing a wash and go, and I'm so happy that I had an opportunity to do a braid out. So yes, check out our channel. It will be linked in the description box below. And yes, I'm so happy about my results. I also wanted to show y'all that I do have a little breakage around the perimeter section of my hair, so I did some chunkier braids towards the front section of my hair so I can be able to have a little bit more body, and my braid out would not be limp or having the look of limp type braids in the front when I unravel them. Alright baby, so we are about to take down these braids. I'm about to put a little light oil on my hands. Nothing too serious, y'all, just a little light oil. And I have some nails on today, baby, so I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make or break my style, so we're gonna see. You will be hearing Eli in the background. He's right next to me. Stay at home mom life. Anywho, let me tell you this. I really do love this Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. The moisture is there. The definition is there. I still need to do some more separating, but it is definitely already giving me what I want, and without compromising my hair, adding extra oils and all of that, because I don't have any flakes. I don't have any flakes. And child, I don't know where I've been at, but I'm happy I had tried. I'm happy I tried it when I did. Like, girl, watch.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Look.
Oh dear.
So yeah, it's amazing. It's giving me everything. It's giving me everything. And I wish I would have tried more braid outs throughout the years of me being natural, but I'm so glad I tried one now, because I think I'm more of a braid out than a twist out girl. Even though I know these results, you know, may not look up to par as others. All I know is that for my first time really doing a braid out, after all of these years, this looks good. Ain't nobody gonna tell me this don't look good, okay? And it definitely feels good. So yes, let me know, have you tried the braid out glaze? Let me know what are your favorite product combinations to use it with. I will be doing a wash and go using a braid out glaze as well, so be on the lookout for that. And I'm signing on out of this piece now. Y'all have a blessed one, and goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Not Daddy.